first thing that I can mention is, the conversational AI, where you can actually start communicating in your natural language, and it actually makes your whole shopping experience very simple, very personalized, yet very seamless. We have started with it. I think this is just gonna go to the next level in the coming years, and I'm very excited about it to see how it turns up. So for example, taking back the example that you said, like if your grandma would have been alive, she didn't need it to like go and start like looking for a particular keywords. She could just talk and the assistant would help in shopping for her, lying on the bed or on a sofa. So that's one. The second one, I see that, I also come from a very heavy automotive background. I worked with the self-driving cars before. I see that those technologies are now getting into the AI. So for example, the AI-powered computer vision technology, which was actually introduced in automotive first back in 2017. Now it's actually being also used in a retail and in other areas as well, which basically helps you to transform a space into a 3D virtual reality objects. And so you can play around it, and it starts also to be very autonomous in designing things as well, depending on your choices.